Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and noting the current SSID and password. That prevents lockout later. Once done, power cycle the modem and router to rule out transient faults. This often fixes issues without a reset. Make sure the router's status LEDs behave normally afterward. Also locate the physical reset button. Many routers use a recessed hole requiring a paperclip. This is the first actionable step. Prepare credentials, retry power cycle, and find the reset control. You now perform the factory reset. Press and hold the reset button for the manufacturer's required 10 to 30 seconds until LEDs indicate reboot. Once released, allow the router to fully restart. Wait 2 to 5 minutes so firmware and network services come online. Make sure to connect via the default SSID or a wired Ethernet link for the initial admin login. Then log in using the default admin credentials and immediately set a new strong password and SSID. You finish by reconfiguring essential settings. Rename the SSID, choose WPA2 or WPA3 with a strong passphrase, and change the admin password to something unique. Once done, reapply any custom network settings such as static IPs, VLAN, port forwards, and parental controls so services resume correctly. Make sure to test connectivity on at least 2 devices and run a speed check. If something still fails, retry with a wired connection to the router. That isolates Wi-Fi issues from upstream internet problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.